cancel ang tawid dagat natin. Sayang ang preparasyon natin. Grabe oy. Wala si Kim Cam ngayon mga lodi. Nakipag-date si Kim Cam. Ayan.
I don't know if gonna be time in on South Island.
Keep him going, mate. Keep him going.
Kinarga nyo rin yung winner nyo ng ano?
Oh yan.
Ay mo, yung winner oh. Ay pala yung dark checker.
Oo.
Ano yun? Oh, late na kak nun ah.
Naliit lang. Ano? Ayan mga lodi, cancel ang tawid dagat natin. Sayang ang preparasyon natin. Grabe oy. Pero andito tayo sa club ngayon. Dala natin ang clock natin dahil ang race ngayon pinalitan nila ng short race mga lodi. Kasi halos ilang weeks na hindi nakakalipad itong mga to. Mawawala yung shape nila, yung conditioning nila mga lodi, yung at saka magsisibigat tong ibon. Kaya kailangan din nating magkarga. So yung tawid dagat magpupunta sa next weekend mga lodi. Hopefully yung weather ay maganda na, hindi na ganun kasama. Kasi sabi nila tong sa may sea crossing mismo ng New Zealand mga lodi, ng South Island saka North Island, yung pagitan niyan ay yung pinakatawid na dagat ng New Zealand mga lodi. Pangit daw yung yung panahon doon, grabe daw, kaya talagang kinancel nila. Ayan. So tapos headwind pa all the way, kaya yun medyo kinancel nila. At sayang talaga yung natin. medyo nalungkot ako bigla kasi talagang pinaka-prepare ako tong tawid dagat, pero wala tayong magagawa. Kailangan natin silang ikarga ng nasa 240 km siguro to. Opango mga lodi ang race mga lodi. Mga specialist na ng Opango to ng 240 km dahil ilang beses na silang pinapakawalan dun mga lodi. So ito yung mga kak natin. Ayan, ito hindi ko pa alam yung papangalanan natin. Ito yung magaling na mili, yung gumagaling na pag lumalayo. Si Batorni, si Jobinito, saka yung isa pa yun, anak ni Jobinito mga lodi. Ayan, magkakamag-anak pala to mga lodi. Itong si Batorni saka si Jobinito, yung white flight na to na, tapos yung ito tong white flight na kaharap niya ito yan mismong nasa harapan ko natin. Si Batorni yan, kapatid niya yung si Jobinito kay Darna mga lodi. Tapos yung isa pang blue checker white flight doon na nasa dulo anak ni Jobinito. Tapos ito naman, itong mili na to bale kapatid ni Jobinito to sa tatay kay Stubborn. Bale niya to, pamangkin. Yan, kasi anak ng inbreed to tong mili na to mga lodi. Yan, puro Stubborn lang yung kak natin ngayon mga lodi. Tapos ito naman yung hen natin. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, walang kulay red na ring dyan, puro white ring yan. Ito yung pearl eye na consistent. Tapos yung si 499, ito yung dalawang nagtambay sa bubong nung last race. Ang ganda sana ng pauwi natin, ganda ng oras sana na itong dalawa na to, tumambay sa bubong. Ewan ko lang ngayon, tingnan natin bukas kung anong gagawin nila, kung tatambay pa rin sa bubong. Ayan, so mapapansin nyo wala si Kim Cam mga lodi dahil wala si Kim Cam. Ayan, wala si Kim Cam ngayon mga lodi. Nakipag-date si Kim Cam. Ayan, may date. Ayan, busy si Kim Cam ngayon mga lodi. But anyway, punta na tayo sa club natin. Doon tayo mga lodi. Yun ganda ng watawat ganda ng panahon. Bali na rito mga 7:20 na ng gabi mga lodi. Gabi na yan pero may araw pa. Ganito dito pag summer. Kaya yung long distance dito, yung 1,200 km merong nakakapagpa-daybird talaga dahil alas 9 na ng gabi, may araw pa mga lodi. Yan, pag summer ganito dito. Ayan kaya pagka maganda talaga yung panahon, tapos tailwind, yung 1,200 km may nakakapagpa-daybird pag maganda yung panahon. Alright, tara, let's go na sa club. Okay, let's go.
The thing is, our best classic races have always been when we've been racing about the 10th or 11th of November. Because the weather does, it just starts to settle. Because we're right in the middle of this. You get
Hello John Mark, you good?
Boss, big boss, how are you, mate?
Tell me, I heard a rumour you were boxing with members of the club in the car park. apparently word around Auckland is you had a bit of a bus stop with some.
I heard you're having an operation.
These are hens.
Now,
Heard a rumour.
Or ducks.
They look very, very tidy, Gerald.
I don't know if gonna be tied in on a South Island.
Keep them going, mate. Keep them going. You don't win the South Island unfit pigeons.
How's Theo? Theo's not coming today?
Who?
Theo.
Yeah. He said he was going to put some birds in. I think he's sending a whole lot down for training with Palmerston North, but I think he said he was going to put some in.
How's the weather on Sunday? Looks not good, eh?
Saturday or Sunday?
Sunday.
Sunday, we're racing Saturday.
No, I mean they're gonna put their birds on a Palmer.
Oh,
For Palmerston, I don't know what the.
let's have a look, eh? I think because it's not so far. I think that,
It's a northwesterly, isn't it?
yeah, it's on the nose.
Same as tomorrow, isn't it?
But the wind is so strong.
These are hens, eh?
Yeah.
It's a northwesterly, isn't it? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yeah.
Yeah. Well, northern pretty much.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's going to be
Is that
clear,
it? Finished?
Yeah.
clear at
Have
Liberation.
you got a long range on yours, mate?
Yeah.
All my birds get
What's
they
that,
big.
mate?
Oh, this is
There you are.
on Sunday, Tom.
No, I threw all mine away. I threw all the eggs away.
So they might
Let them start
No,
again.
but the next void all the way to
Yeah,
Saturday,
no.
18th
Oh, I see. Yeah, no, mine laid.
to 8 o'clock.
Yesterday I threw them off. They just laid them as they laid the second one.
Yeah, there's no rain, but just look
But
at that.
it's good you have time to
29 knots.
Yes. Hey, you guys.
All good.
Ayun na! Boss Yuki, kanina ka pa nahantay ng mga tropa mo doon. Sino yung nanalo nito?
Hey, how many birds have you got? Harold? Put 6 in.
Nah, it's 7 I guess.
But there is a strong westerly coming through there, but you can't have
Yeah, six birds. Yeah. Oh, you give me a...
7, yes. So not many birds. There we go.
Konti lang para ninarga mo.
Oh, 6 lang.
There we are.
Ito na yung mga pang ano ko.
Walayuan.
Pang walayuan ko.
Yeah, where are your birds? Yeah.
Yun na. Oh, konti lang din kinarga na itong mga to ah.
Training lang para pangbigyan ng pangwalayuan.
Ah, ito na yung pang ano nyo. Sa akin meron ako doon 6 muna yung kinarga. 6 lang kinarga ko.
What are these? Cocks.
All cup.
They're all cocks. Yeah. Okay, you want them all?
I'll come up there. I'll come up there. Because the wind's too strong down
Ito,
there.
malabdaw line.
Eh, malabnaw oh.
And if they try and stay straight, you usually find out now what I'm trying to say.
Kinarga nyo rin yung winner nyo ng ano.
Oh, yan.
Ay mo, yung winner oh. Ay pala yung dark checker.
Oo.
Ano yun? Oh, late na kak nun ah.
Naliit lang, ano?
Kak pala yun? Ito ang dami yun.
Segundo lang ang pagitan, ano?
Magaling yun. O Boss Yuki. Ayan, habang naghahantay kami ng truck, pinaglaro ko muna. Careful lang, Isab. Ito yung mga ibon ng ano, pangaray. Ayun, naispatan ko agad yung ibon natin. Oh. Ayan, imili. Oh. Ayun oh. Ayan, good luck bukas. Ayan na, kargahan na.